What are phrases in English? A phrase is one or more words that form a meaningful grammatical unit within a clause. There are 5 main types of phrases in English. Noun phrase. A noun phrase can be a single noun or a group of words built around a single noun. For example, animal needs water. Verb phrase. A verb phrase, also called a verb group, consists of main verb and its auxiliary verbs, including modals. For example, we have been working since 9 a.m. Adjective phrase. An adjective phrase can be a single adjective or a group of words built around a single adjective. For example, he has clever idea. Adverb phrase. An adverb phrase can be a single adverb or a group of words built around a single adverb. For example, please do it now. Prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase consists of a preposition followed by its object, usually a noun phrase. For example, they were arguing about money.